Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Netlify for deploying UI prototypes fast, full guide step by step clearly. To start using Netlify for deploying your UI prototypes, open your web browser. Navigate to the Netlify website at www.netlify.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button. You will be presented with options to sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you prefer to sign up with an email address, select that option as well. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. After filling out your details, click on the Create Account or Continue button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Netlify. Open the email and follow the provided link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Netlify site and log in with your credentials. You will now be taken to your Netlify dashboard. To start deploying a UI prototype, click the New Site from Git button. Choose the Git provider where your project is hosted. Authorize Netlify to access your Git account if prompted. Select the repository that contains your UI prototype. Netlify will analyze your repository and may automatically configure the build settings. If not, you can manually enter the build command in publish directory if necessary. Click the Deploy Site button to initiate the deployment process. Wait for the deployment to complete. This may take a few moments. Once the site is deployed, you will receive a unique URL. You can access your live site through this URL at any time. To update your site, simply push changes to your Git repository. Netlify will automatically redeploy your site with the latest updates. Explore additional features such as custom domain settings and continuous deployment options. Familiarize yourself with the Netlify dashboard to manage your projects effectively. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Netlify and deployed your UI prototype. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.